In this video, I'll show you how to change the battery on a key fob for a Mazda 2. This key fob was used in the Mazda 2 from 2011 to 2014, and inside we will find the CR1620 battery. I'm going to start by flipping this open, and if you can see the light reflecting off that edge right there, that's going to show you where we can push to remove this top piece of plastic. You can see it's coming off there. Now we could keep going with this. Maybe yours is a little bit tighter. If you can't push it up with your fingers like I can, excuse me, go ahead and take a screwdriver and holding onto this top part, because this is the part that will be coming up. Don't want to hold that down. You can get a good grip and just push on the top piece of plastic. Get a good focus there. Just give it a second. There we go. Push up that piece of plastic. Once there's a little separation in the bottom, just use your tool to pry it until you can just lift it off, just like that. There we go. Here's our battery. Now this can be a little bit difficult to remove. If you want to take a precision screwdriver or something like that, like you can find these online for just a couple bucks. Like I got this one on Amazon. I can give you a link for that. That's going to be the safest way to remove this battery. If you need to, you could use a pen or maybe a toothpick. Wouldn't recommend that. I'll show you how to do both anyway. Excuse me. There is an arrow here. That corner that the arrow is pointing to is where you should put your tool in. The bottom right corner. And once you've hit the bottom, you can just start to pull back and rock out. Rocking motion, you can remove the battery. Just like that. Show you how to do it with the pen. It's really the same thing. As long as something can fit in that little corner in the bottom right, you should be able to remove your battery. Here it is. Excuse me. Here is the 1620 battery. And when you have your new one and you want to put it back in, make sure the side with the brand and battery information is going to go down, because that's the positive end. This is where the positive contact goes. And when you slide it in, just put the top part in first, like that, and push the bottom in. And that is all it takes. Let's just put this back on, line it up, and click it into place. And you're good to go with a brand new battery in your Mazda 2. Thanks for watching.